Hello everyone and welcome back to Ocean Interaction. In this series, we are going over all the UMG components in Unreal Engine, starting from the very top and working our way all the way to the bottom. If you want to follow this entire journey, the full playlist is in the description. To save your time in this video, I have also created a common reference tutorial that cover all the shared UMG properties I skipped or mentioned briefly here. If you want a deeper understanding of those, definitely check them out. The link is in the description. Before we dive in, just a quick favor. This tutorial take a lot of time and effort to design, record and edit. So if you enjoy them, please like, share and subscribe. It's totally free and it really helped me create more Unreal Engine content for you and the community. Alright, let's get started. In this tutorial, we are going over the root. The root is exactly what it sounds like. The base widget that hold everything inside your UI. All the common properties have already been explained in the common UMG properties video. So here we will focus only on the root's unique property. First, let's start with the color and opacity. This property lets you change the color of all the child widget inside the root. For example, if you change it to red, all children get the red tinted. If you reduce the opacity, all children become more transparent. It's a quick way to apply a global tint to your entire widget. So let me showcase what I mean. I have just added a border into this and I have changed the color to red. As you can see, I have changed the color in the root. Border color has been changed to red. Next, foreground color. This one affects the foreground element of all the children. For example, a text widget. If you set the foreground color to blue, every text inside the root will automatically use that color unless overridden. So let me showcase that. For the foreground color, I am going to set the blue. And when I add the text and turn on the inherited color, it is set to blue. So to better showcase, I am going to set this to white so that I can see the better foreground color. Let's remove this. Next is a preview background. This property is only used for UMG design preview. It lets you set the default background while designing the widget, which helps when you are laying out the UI on a transparent canvas. This background does not appear in the actual game. It's just for better visibility in the editor. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Ocean Interaction. It really helps the channel grow and let me keep sharing more Unreal Engine tutorial with you. Thank you so much for watching and as always, keep creating with Ocean Interaction. See you in the next one.